Good morning, folks. Good morning. So what's going to go on today for today's trials? So maybe you remember some of my videos before that I had the GoPro with the mic, the external mic. I've got the media mod on it. The media mod, sorry, you can see the windsock here. But the external mic, so when the GoPro is turned on, it automatically shuts its own mic off and recognizes the external mic. So I've wanted to do a little, kind of a little trial. So I've got that mic all wrapped around it so long. It goes down there, down in behind, where are we here? Right up here. Okay, up and behind. You can see it there, behind that gas spigot. Down, tucked under the seat. Comes back along here, down there, and there's the mic pinned to the Reinhardt slip-on. And what I'm going to do with that, with the helmet and the camera looking forward, I really wanted to have it down low, the GoPro down low, but there's so much friggin' around to get things down in there that I just said I'll put it up there, and that way whatever is on my helmet camera and whatever on the GoPro camera, I can just go back and forth from silence and let the exhaust ring out to, when I'm rolling on in the turns, then to me talking. So we're going to see what it's like. I don't know if it'll melt that mic. I don't really care because, it's cheap stuff, and this is what it's all about, just doing trials. So I'm going to get ready and head out. Not too long. And this one's coming on a big, big trip. Well, what I've got going on here, kind of another one of my tests, as I showed a little earlier, got the GoPro. I can't get it tightened up. Down in there, I can't get my hands down in there to tighten it up. But I've got the mic back on the exhaust. I had to change it from on the slip-on to the license plate. Clipped it on there. And really doing this, I wouldn't want the GoPro right here. I'd probably have it on the other handlebar, just so the Senna is not looking at it. Really, I wanted it down below, so it could watch the front wheel and then hear the exhaust. And that's going to be my intention, so that I can film from the helmet camera and narrate, and then let the exhaust be picked up by that mic and have that looking down low. The wind pushing me around. Oh! On the 14 now, heading from Windsor back over to East River. Probably a little windy. Visor up, it's so nice. The breeze feels so nice. Everything is getting really green over here. This is one of my, I say it many times, I guess, favorite spots. But a lot of times if I'm over around the valley or even a little further down, I always take this 14 across because it comes right out, 10 kilometers from my door. Comes out exit 8 and I'm down at exit 7. When the sun is setting, usually over there. It's just a nice, pleasant feel for the end of the day. And this side of it is quite a bit nicer, like all this farm country. This side of the valley, like if you see that, like Martok ski hill there, the mountain ridge along there, when you get close to that, it's more woodland, and on the other side of it, it's smaller farms, Nova Scotia size small farms, and more woodland, and then more over towards, fishing side on that side. But over here, it's
it's agricultural land. You know, when the kind that they're going to do their own meat and their own vegetables. So you know they have beef and they have produce, but they also have a store for the most part that you can buy it. So it's that full circle. And it's nice. I like that on this side.